In this video, let me discuss about Clostridium botulinum. Definition of Clostridium botulinum. It is an anaerobic gram-positive rod-shaped and which produces the botulinum toxin. It is one of the deadliest neurotoxin known. The spores are found in soil and aquatic sediments and low oxygen of conditions. The bacterium from protective spores which the condition on survival on botulinum toxins. Classification of Clostridium botulinum. It is divided into the four major groups 1 and 4 and 7 serotypes A and G based on genera and physiological characteristics. It is a vital on heat resistant and strains. It is the spore forming bacillus that causes the botulinum by produces and other more neurotoxins. Clostridium botulinum primary virulence factor is the most botulinum neurotoxin. The most potent biological substances are which causes the paralysis. By inhibiting releases the neuromucosal junctions. It includes its ability to form endospores which allow survival on harsh environment and extracellular enzymes like clostridium substances. Clinical disease caused by Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum causes botulinum, a rare but fatal neuroparalytic disease characteristic by they are survey descending symmetric and faculty paralysis. The bacterium produces potent neurotoxin that block neurotransmitter releases, causing symptoms like diplopia and swallowing difficulties and respiratory failure. Major clinical types of botulinum. There are the five major groups foodborne botulism, infected botulism, wound botulism, iatrogenic botulism, adult intestinal toxemia. Occurs from injecting performed toxin and improperly performed canned and fermented foods caused by injection of spores that example honey that germinates in the gut of insects under 1 year. It occurs in spores enter a wound often linked to count minutes injuries on intravenous drugs use and associated from sucking from therapeutic cosmetic botulism toxin injections. A rare and smell informed infect botulism where spores colonized an adult's intestinal tract. Pathogenesis of Clostridium botulinum. Disease botulinism. From Latin botulismus sausage. Toxins enter bloodstream from mucosomal surface or wound. Can be paralysis of respiratory muscles. Incubated period. Ingestion is an unknown. Wound 14 to 4 to 14 days. Inhalation estimated 24 to 36 hours. Laboratory diagnosis. It is directed to potential botulinum neurotoxins or the bacteria and patent sample or food. Example serum and stool. They intimate antitoxin treatment and getting public health response to prevent further exposure. Serological test. High level of antibiotics are produced against Clostridium botulinum using formalin treated or heated cell preparations. Motility. Clostridium species motility includes motile types that can be studied using capillary tube methods. Biochemical test. Motility positive motile. Hemolysis hemolytic. Lipase production positive. Gelatin positive. Indole production varied depends on strain. Hydrogen sulfate varied depends on strains. Thank you.